Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And I hope that you can see this grid line, which is called golden spiral, and the straighten option, I believe. I've applied those options before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after resetting the settings, they should disappear. In order to do that, we have to tap on this 3-dot icon in the right upper corner, and then let's enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to the restore default settings and confirm it with OK. As you can see, the options, the settings flashed a little bit, so now we can go back and check. And here we've got actually the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because we've got this welcome to camera info, which of course appears if you're opening the camera for the very first time. So let's tap on agree, and as you can see, we do not have the golden spiral, which simply means that we just successfully reset the settings, of course camera settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset the camera in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.